we as humans are bad predictors of potential. Can I prove it to you? I'll prove it to you. Israel elected Saul to be their king. We will always pick people according to how much they measure up to our human ideals. And so people will always pick what's tall. People will always pick what's impressive. People would never pick Peter to be a disciple unless he commits to stop cussing before he starts representing Jesus. People will never pick Judas, but Jesus did. People would never have picked some of us. But how many know that God sees something that human eyes cannot see? And watch this, he doesn't have to call a committee together to get his will done on the earth.